Give power to the herd. Justice, justice. Rumah scream, rumah scream. Long live! Long live! Rumah scream, rumah scream. Hai, 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 hai. Rumah scream, rumah scream. Rumah scream, rumah scream. Rumah scream, rumah scream. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Justice, justice.
आप लोग सब जानते हैं हम लोग का जो डिमांड है रोमन स्क्रिप्ट इट्स मोर देन 50 ईयर। तो आज आप लोग जानते हैं आज असेंबली है, तो आप लोग लास्ट टाइम में भी प्रोटेस्ट किया था सर्किट हाउस में। अभी तक वो लोग असेंबली में नहीं उठाया ये डिमांड के लिए रोमन स्क्रिप्ट के लिए मेन इशूज़। तो इसलिए हम आज लोग वी नीड टू कम टू द गेट ऑफ द असेंबली to show our demand to the government of Tripura. They must listen to our voice. It is a matter of sentiment. It is a matter of our identity. So we must protect our rights. So we want the ministers to listen to our voice and raise the issues of Roman script in the assembly. That's why we are here today in front of the assembly.
इससे पहले भी आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट किया था मगर कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ। अभी आप लोग क्यों नहीं हो रहा है क्या?
I also don't understand what is the reason. Even the government officials are not willing to talk to us. We have submitted our letter to the Special Secretary Education Department for appointment, but he is not willing to meet. He is not willing to meet us. I don't know why. So it's a part of the failure of the government. They should have come for the dialogue with us, but no, we have not seen any steps taken from the part of the government on this matter. So it's okay. We'll keep on protesting. We'll keep on demanding for our rights, no matter how long they can try to, stop us from our agenda. But we'll keep on fighting for the rights of the people, for the indigenous people.
Sir, there are lots of indigenous representatives in the ruling government. What are their position? Are they supporting you?
See, the regional party, we have been also telling them. There are parties from IPFT in the government, coalition government. We have also asked Shukla Saranumati, want to tell him from here, clear message. Being a minister of the indigenous people, you must raise the issue in the assembly. They should make clear their stand on the issues of Roman script.
Are you upset with the people? Means the people who are with the government.
Pardon?
Are you upset with the leaders, indigenous leaders?
We are upset or not, the people will decide. It is the people who will decide whether they are upset or not with the leaders of the indigenous people who are representing the people in the assembly. Thank you. I don't know where it is written that we are not allowed to sit. We are very peaceful. I'm not very peaceful.
Long live, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live.
We want
Long live.
My fundamental right is taken away. The authority has taken away fundamental rights. We are not allowed to protest. My fundamental right is taken away. Come on,